This is my Peaceful Collection soap. You get 3 soaps. You'll get a rice milk, an oat milk, and a coconut milk. I made the rice milk and the oat milk fresh myself from scratch. So this is cold processed soap. If you don't know, this is just a little bitty sliver, but I just had to show you guys what these soaps can do. So this is just the water from when I did the test on this rice milk soap right here. So let me show you the lather on this one. This one is the oat milk. Oh, it just feels so beautiful. I mean, these soaps, I used to make silk soaps when I first started making soap, but just that little bitty piece. Look, look, look. I really haven't even really just got really into it, but it just feels like lotion. It feels like silk. I have never enjoyed washing my hands so much. Ooh, it is just so silky. That lather is super, super silky, and it just leaves your hands feeling soft. They're not dried out and feeling all cracked up. Look at that. Look, look. Oh, I just want to stay here and do this all day. If you guys want this collection, which I suggest you get it because you need to experience this too. It is in my shop right now, and the more that I wash my hands, the bigger these bubbles get. The fluffier it is, really just like washing your hands with lotion. Look at that. I just had to share because it's just too good not to.